Welcome to Tier 1 of the UT San Antonio Cybersecurity Professional Certificate Program, your entry point into the world of cybersecurity. This beginner-level program is designed for students and early career professionals who have basic computer literacy and want to build a strong technical foundation. In Tier 1, you'll develop essential skills in networking, security fundamentals, operating systems, scripting, and ethical governance. You'll explore how the internet works, diving into the OSI model, TCP/IP, DNS ports, protocols, and IP addressing. You'll get hands-on experience with Linux, Windows PowerShell, Bash scripting, Wireshark, Nmap, Netcat, and other industry standard tools. You'll also learn the core of cybersecurity, the CIA triad: confidentiality, integrity, and availability, while studying common attacks, introductory threat modeling, risk identification, and encryption basics. Finally, we'll introduce you to federal cybersecurity laws, ethical responsibilities, and what it means to operate securely in today's digital world. Upon completion, you'll be well prepared for industry-recognized certifications such as CompTIA A+, Network Plus, Security Plus, Cisco CCNA, and the foundational level of EC Council's CH. Whether you're just starting your career or looking to strengthen your technical skills, Tier 1 gives you the knowledge and confidence to advance to the next level. Start your cybersecurity journey with UT San Antonio today. Tier 1 is your launchpad.